For f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x plus 1, find the following. F times g of negative 2. We begin by rewriting this as f of negative 2 times g of negative 2. And then we substitute negative 2 in place of the x in f and negative 2 in place of x in the g. So we would have negative 2 quantity squared plus 3 times negative 2 plus 2. And that's f of negative 2. Then we multiply that times g of negative 2, which would be negative 2 plus 1. Simplifying inside, we have negative 2 quantity squared, which would be 4. 3 times negative 2, which would be minus 6, plus 2. And inside of this bracket, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. That's equal to 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So we have 0 times negative 1, which is 0. For the same f of x and g of x, find the following. F divided by g of x. So first we rewrite this as f of x divided by g of x. And that means taking the formula for f of x, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2, and dividing it by the formula for g of x, x plus 1. You might stop there, but it's important to try to simplify. The numerator factors into x plus 2 times x plus 1. The denominator remains the same, x plus 1. So notice now we can remove a factor of 1 where we divide x plus 1 by x plus 1. That means this is equal to x plus 2, but you must write that x cannot equal negative 1. For the same f of x and g of x, we're going to find f divided by g of negative 2. Recall, we just found that f divided by g of x is equal to x plus 2. Recall, though, that x could not equal negative 1, which it doesn't in this example, so we're good. And that means we can simply take this formula and replace negative 2 for x. In other words, we would have f divided by g of negative 2 equals negative 2 plus 2, which equals 0.